was too rainy, so ended up getting another massage instead. I ordered KFC in Vietnam. Here is a chicken popsicle. Let's give it a go. Hey guys, so it's our last night here. It's our last night here in Da Nang and Vietnam. We've moved to another hotel just to try out a cheaper option and see what else is available. So we were just staying near the beach. Now we're staying near the river. So I'll give you a quick room tour. We're staying at the EX Luxury Da Nang, and this is what the room looks like. Very, very impressive, honestly. Here's the bathroom. Very clean, very new. And look at this bathtub. Awesome. Now again, it's low season, so it is raining today, but it also has the river view. You can't really see, but there's the bridge here and the river runs along there. So awesome. And a balcony. Very spacious, double bed. This bed as well, and a desk. Now, the price was only 100 ringgit for one night. So that's about 20 something US dollars or about 33 Australian dollars. So I think that is a bloody bargain. And, you know, I could see myself staying here for a lot longer as well. It also includes breakfast. So yeah, I don't think you can beat that, even if it is raining outside. Now it's time for a local jasmine tea and the bath. So this is the view from the bathtub. Got Netflix on the TV, bathtub views. The weather's cleared up a bit, so now we can see the river. Awesome. So here's the pool. Not going in now because of the rain, but just thought we'd have a look. It's on the rooftop. Technically an infinity pool. Pretty good. Looking out onto the river. Now we're about to head to our trip down to Hoi An, which is about 45 minutes south. It's another cultural UNESCO heritage city. We arrived at Hoi An Old Town. It's a bit of mayhem, very rainy as you can see. This is supposedly the main area. So we're gonna head down here with the umbrella and see what we can find. We might grab a bite to eat first and see if the rain settles down. Let's go. Found a nice restaurant. It's empty. There's no one here. We're gonna wait it out until the rain stops for a bit. So it looks like across the other side of the river is the main area. So we'll head over the bridge to that side. So this is the main area. You can go out on these lantern boats, but it's too wet. So we're not going to do that. We'll just keep walking around. But yeah, it's absolute scenes right now. It was too rainy, so ended up getting another massage instead. Hey guys, so we just had a 1 hour massage. As you can see, it is pretty much flooding here. I would not come here if it's raining. Check the weather. Do not come to Hoi An if it's raining because it's not a good experience. You can't do much. But yeah, it's packed with people. The street is flooded. Have a look over here. So we'll probably just grab dinner and head back to Da Nang. This looks like the bar street. Bars along here. Pretty quiet. I think people just want to go home. Here are the famous lantern boats. Would have been nice to go on that, but probably not in this weather. On a nice day, I can imagine it would be pretty cool. Yeah, this city is known for lanterns. in the river. Very cool. Check this one out. It's made in Indonesia. I think that's supposed to be Indonesia. I ordered KFC in Vietnam. Here is a chicken popsicle. Let's give it a go. Not bad. So that pretty much sums up our trip in Da Nang. This is our last day here. The one thing we haven't tried on our to-do list is egg coffee. So we're going to try and find a local cafe to try the egg coffee, and then our flight is this afternoon back to Kuala Lumpur. So yeah, let's go grab the egg coffee. Okay, we ended up at a Korean cafe and we got the egg coffee. I got the iced egg coffee. Give it a go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's nice, it's good. Would recommend.